Hello everyone, so welcome back. So today we are going to start our TSQL session. So what is TSQL? Transact SQL. Actually it is an extension of structured query language which we have covered so far in the previous tutorial videos. If you watch, if you don't watch, please see these videos because we cover all the select statement where we have a select static from, we have a select column name and then our table name, then we can use conditions, where clause, and insert into where we have a table name, then column which we want to insert and what value we want to insert, and update, delete. So this is actually building blocks of the TSQL. So if you didn't see these videos, please do catch up these videos. It will help you to learn the basics of the TSQL. So now let's move to our TSQL. Let's say we have we want to declare a variable. Okay, there are two ways of declaring a variable. Like we can say that declare variable my variable, and here is a type of the variable, and we can assign a value here like 4. I assign that my variable is a variable which I define declare, and it has a value by default 4. And here we can use set as well if we do not want to use like that. For example, I say that my variable, and now I'm going to uncommit this value, so it will actually telling me that we have value variable 4. If we want to print, then we can use print or select variable name, which is the variable we use. And keep in mind that declare at the rate mean that we have declaring a variable. Okay, so let me run this and you can see a 4. So we know that we have a order table, and in order table we have different types of data. For example, quantity 4, 7, 8. If I say that my variable value is 7, and in where clause actually I am going to use a quantity where I am using passing a value from the variables. Okay, so the problem is that in this TSQL, if we are not using store procedure, which will be we are covering soon, so we have to keep in mind that this is not identifiable unless and until we select all the body of the code, like like that. So we have a 7 where variable value is 7. Here we go, and all the record which are greater than 7 or equal to 7 should be visible. So this is a first thing. You need to just define a variables. How can we define a variable? In a next video I am going to tell you about some more complex of about TSQL, which is a cursor. Okay, so I hope you just grab this idea. I'm not going to prolong this video, but in next video I am going to define exactly about the cursor. So it will be very important thing. So please do watch this video, upcoming my video. Thank you very much for keeping and liking my video. Take care.